Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the core catalysts. Gather a stable clock source like a quartz oscillator, a focused intent medium such as a single written statement on acid-free paper, and a small charged conductor, a copper coil about 1 to 2 cm across. Place the coil near the clock so electromagnetic coupling is consistent. Once done, align the written intent beneath the coil and start the clock. This pairs temporal reference with symbolic intent. Make sure to minimize nearby noise and keep lighting steady for predictable conditions. Next, you initiate temporal resonance by synchronizing the clock to UTC within 1 second and recording the baseline reading. This anchors your reference frame. Then activate the coil pulses in a strict pattern. 1 Hz for 11 minutes, then ½ Hz for 4 minutes. The change shifts the resonance field. While pulsing, speak the vocalized intent pattern aloud. 3 short phrases, 1 long phrase, then a 30-second pause. Keep breathing steady and maintain a laser focus on the desired moment. This reinforces coupling between physical pulse and mental target. To finish, you close the loop by tapering the pulses into a dampened decay lasting 90 seconds. This stabilizes the field and prevents abrupt discontinuities. After the decay, record the clock reading and compare it to your baseline to note any deviations or anomalies. Document everything immediately. If you observe no change, repeat the entire cycle up to 3 times and adjust the coil distance by 5 to 10 millimeters between attempts. Troubleshooting tip: if signals wander, isolate from electronic interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.